Hello, what's up guys? So welcome back to the new video. So today is October 13th, Monday. So I'm going to talk about the trade that I took today. It was 1.3 1.3.5 RR trade. So it was a beautiful trade today. If you have seen the previous video, you know that last day I was up like $400 in a 10k account. So this is the second trade I took. So in this trade I secured around $350, so close to $400. So let's break down the trade. So how I did was, first I just scroll down to 5 minute, as you know, 5 minute chart, and I marked out the draws on liquidity. So these are the draws on liquidity that I can find. These lines, the horizontal lines, are my draws on liquidity, and here we have the London high, and here we have the London low, the London low here, and the Asia lows, and here we have the draws on liquidity and these low. So what we do now is, after marking the draws on liquidity, we just got that there are a lot of the price was at a particular point, this point. So we got lot of draws on liquidity in downside. So these are the draws on liquidity we got down. So in top we cannot find that much draws on liquidity, so we wait for the downside draws on liquidity to reach. So after the market open, the price just bounced to our draws on liquidity at the lows and took out these all lows, three lows. So it was around 4:30 the market opened at New York session. So in market, like I mean the 9:30, so I am in different time zones. So here it's 4:30 the market open, I mean the New York session opens. So at the pre-market our price came back to our draws on liquidity, so we got our entry. We were looking for a confirmation. So when our price tapped our draws on liquidity, we just scroll back to 1 minute time frame and we look for confirmation. After it tapped our draws on liquidity, we just got an inverse fair value gap, and I mean this one. You can see a 1 minute fair value gap I drawn. So here there is two inverse fair value gap. So first one, the price gave breakout and gave a candle close above the, like you can see a bullish candle, that is white one, above the inverse fair value gap. So we are good to go our entry. So just place our limit order below the, like around the 50% of the zone. If you have seen the previous video, you can understand much betterly. So I just put the entry on the half of the, like I mean the half, like the 50% of the zone, and we wait for the price to retrace. And after the price retrace to our zone, we got a massive pullback to our TP1. We got it. So I secured the partials, and like we secured the partials and the TP1, like here closed the partials, and our TP2 was this draws on liquidity. You can see, like this one was the TP2 and TP3 was the London session highs I marked. So after hitting our TP2, we can see a consolidation going on. So what I did for why I get out at TP2 is because when we compare S&P 500, Nasdaq and S&P 500 are correlated pairs. So and here was the time. Here was the TP2 where we got in Nasdaq. So the price didn't close above the zone, like this 1 minute fair value gap. So I thought, I confirmed that the price is not going to go any higher because it didn't close above and it gave the massive pullback to down in S&P 500. So that's why didn't need to risk my entire capital. So I just closed my position. I should have left that in like to break even or something, but I closed it and I got out of my trade. It was a 1 is to 3.5 RR trade that I grabbed, but actually my setup was to grab these till here, like 1 is to 5 RR trade. This was my main plan for today, but as you can see, my after TP2, after I got a pullback, so I didn't want to risk it, so I just got out of the trade. But as you can see, what happened after that was after like at 6 p.m., that is around 10:30 11 o'clock in New York time, the price came all the way back to our entry again, and it gave us a good distribution to our TP3. So it should have been winning trade if I was still holding, but I am okay with my profit. I just grabbed only till TP2. So that's it. I need to show you guys. I just grabbed till TP2. So that's it on today's trade. So hope you enjoy and hope you understand the reason behind I took this trade. So that's it. So see you in next video. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Hope we will get more opportunities on Tuesday. So subscribe and join. Bye.